So today in this video, I want to talk about how you can grow and build a successful affiliate marketing business. Now be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. If you are new to this channel, I want you to smash that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future content that I provide you. So the first thing you need to ask yourself is, why am I doing this? If you're an affiliate marketer, then the answer should be because that you love it and you're passionate about what you do. You know, affiliate marketing isn't for everyone, right? So, but if it is your passion, it can be one of the best ways for you to grow your following and so that you can make money online. The next thing you need to consider is, who's your target audience? Who are the people? You have to be specific as to who you're targeting and who do you want to sell your product and service to. You make sure you want to focus on people that have a problem that needs solving, a specific problem that needs solving. You know, not just people that are looking for something new and exciting, right? You know, if you think about this very thing from day one, it's going to help you figure out. It's going to help you figure out where to focus all your efforts when it comes to building your affiliate marketing business and growing traffic, right? And finally, don't forget about doing your market research. You need to know who your audience. You need to know your audience well enough so that once they visit your offer, your site, they'll feel like all their questions have been answered and their problem has been solved. And as a result, that's when that person becomes a loyal customer, and they'll continue to be a loyal customer and they'll continue following your content. Now, that's all I have for you right now. I trust that you got value from this video, and if you did, make sure once again to smash that like button and comment below. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you hit that bell notification. And if you're on Facebook, just leave a comment below and also send me a direct message. I'm Jason Hopkins. Thank you for watching.